welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. I am getting ready to make some pork and beans, my family's way. Y'all need to hang in there with me on this one because I'm getting ready to get busy. First thing we're going to do is go in and crispy up about 4 to 6 pieces of bacon. Make sure they are nice and crispy, guys. Nice and crispy. Make sure you go in and drain your crispy bacon on some paper towels. Now let's go in with our ham hocks. We just want to put them in a pot of cold water. We're going to bring them up to a rapid boil. Then, guys, we're going to just let them cook probably about a couple of hours. We're going to give these a couple of hours and then we'll be ready. Okay, let's get right down to it. I am starting off with some Van Camp pork and beans. You can use any kind you want and you can make them from scratch if you want. But today, we're taking the shortcut. First thing I want to do is get my casserole dish buttered up. Yes, guys, I'm buttering it up. Not for flavor, but it keeps your dishes from sticking with anything. Put that in there. Now we're going to go in with our beans slowly. Okay, guys, to our beans, we are going to add brown sugar, green peppers, ham hock, and cooked and crumbled bacon. No particular way, we just want to put it all in. We're going to get it stirred up, and we're going to bake it in a 400-degree oven just until it gets set, probably about 30 minutes. Go ahead and mix this all in really well. This is how it looks going into the oven, and we'll be right back. And guys, before we go in the oven, I forgot the main ingredient. Barbecue sauce. Gotta put your barbecue sauce in there. I am using Kingsford original, but you can use any kind you want. And I'll leave all the ingredients down in the description. So I'm going to go in and add this and get this blended in as well. Now we're going into the oven. Hey! Our baked beans are almost ready, so I just wanted to take a minute and to remind you to subscribe if you have not already done so, and don't forget to tap that bell so you'll always be notified every time I upload another amazing family recipe. Guys, for everybody, please take a look, tap on the video that's going to come up at the end of this one. It has been handpicked just for you. And for those of you who are already subscribed, thank you so much. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. I hear my oven and I think it's time. Let's go get our beans. Okay, guys, we are all out of the oven. Don't they look amazing? I'm just gonna garnish it a little bit with just a few green onions here and there. Oh my goodness. Thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out with me today. Have a blessed day and I'll see you next time.